Hello everyone, today we are making egg biryani, no meat today. There you go, a special day, no meat, and we're gonna make a nice egg biryani. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. I'm gonna make gravy first. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this, well, I don't want too much oil, but just a bit of oil, because I need to use butter ghee as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some bits of coriander seeds. That's enough. And then I can hear the popping sound. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of fennel seeds. Okay. And then cardamon pods. Three cardamom pods, that's enough. I'm gonna let it roast for a minute. I'm gonna make fire a little higher. And then I'm gonna make fried onions, which I need to cook a little bit longer. There we go. This is very important. When you're making onions, you've got to let it cook a little bit brown in color. And I'm gonna use that onion for the decoration as well on the top. There you go, keep them cooking. So it's a little bit brown in color. You can see now the onions are getting a little brown in color, which looks delicious, flavorful, smells very good, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is it?
I think it smells really nice.
Yeah, well,
I like the smell of onions.
I'm gonna take a little bit out, just a pinch out, and put it in my little thing, just for a little decoration in the end. So that's it. I'm gonna put it on the side. And then I'm gonna add tomatoes in it. I'm planning to make a paste out of it. I want this to be cooked very well. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make the tomato cook grill at the same time, so it squeezes and makes some kind of gravy in it. That's what my idea is all about. Very hot again. I started to soak. Everything because I'm cooking, the temperature is going up. It's just brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it cook for a while, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of cumin powder. Just a spoon. Almost a spoon. So turmeric is quite a nice thing. It does help in your health as well. A lot of things. It's a very good thing. It gives color to your food. I don't want my food to be burnt, so don't always try to make the fire too high. Try to cook as mild as possible so the tomatoes are cooked well. It gives the gravy. isn't it?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna let it cook for a while. I'm gonna add a little bit of water so it doesn't get burned. Just want to get a gravy out of it. Just a little kind of water, simple water. That's enough. Just a thing. This helps in cooking all the ingredients, whatever is in there, without getting burned. Alright. Keep an eye on your food all the time so it doesn't get burned. And keep on, this is quite satisfying to squash this tomato. It is cooking well, that means it's making gravy well. Yeah? Later on we're going to add a plain yogurt on it, which actually gives you more good flavor. So this is looking good. Yeah? This is looking good. So I'm going to squash these tomatoes. It's looking good. This is giving a good, actually nice, good flavor. I'm going to cook it a little bit more. I can still see this tomato has not been cooked well, so I'm going to let it cook a bit more. And then this is ready. Well, I've been cooking this for almost 5 or 6 minutes, that's it. It's almost ready now. So don't make your fire always too high. That's the reason why you get your food burned. Cooking is a little bit about patience as well, and obviously you got to have a passion for it. So now it's ready. I'm gonna add eggs on it, boiled eggs. Yeah, this is boiled eggs. Okay, everybody knows. There you go. Cook the boiled eggs for a minute. I'm gonna let it cook for a minute, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of peppers in it. That's it. A little bit of pepper. Since my daughters are eating this biryani, the younger daughter doesn't want spicy one, so I'm not putting chili, but if you want, you can add some chili in it. It's your choice. You can add some chili on it. It depends upon you. But you can add chili later on if you want to get your food a little bit spicy. But since my daughter's eating this time, I'm not doing it. So, but I like spicy. I'm going to add spicy later on my own part. So I'm going to add a little bit of yogurt. I'm going to add the whole yogurt in there now. Yogurts are always good. Plain yogurt. It seems like it's cooked well now. I'm gonna let this be on the side, and I'm gonna ready the rice now. Yeah? I'm gonna put this on the side. Alright, now I'm gonna ready the rice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a cinnamon stick and a little bit of a couple of pods of cardamom pods. So yeah, cardamom pods, and then that's it. I'm gonna add some rice. I'm gonna bit of rice. This rice I have soaked it about an hour, so it's softened now. So when cooking biryani rice, the important thing is you are not cooking the rice wholly. You got to cook it up to about 75 to 80% of it. When it's cooked, then your biryani rice will be ready. So you are not cooking a full rice, so you got to keep on tasting so that it doesn't cook too much. If it's too cooked, then you will get a very not a very good rice. So I'm gonna let it cook for a while, and then I'll have to keep on tasting. But looks like our rice is ready to be used for biryani. It looks like it's been almost ready. So I'm gonna rinse this water out of it. I'm gonna use it for biryani. It's very good. Looks very good. There's the biryani ready. I'm gonna put a layer of rice on the bottom. This rice should be raw. I'm gonna put a layer of rice. And then I'm gonna put my little sauce in it. So I'm gonna spread it around a little bit. I'm gonna put another layer of rice. I'm gonna add a little bit of these fried onions, just to give it a little bit. If you have saffron, then that's great. It gives you more flavor. I'm gonna add, more importantly, this is a butter ghee. I love it a lot, but I don't know if you want it, you can use it. But for me, I love a lot. There you go. That's the butter ghee. It's too much. So it's good. I put everything in there. This is cooking about 10 minutes now. It looks nice. The thing about biryani is you gotta let it cook for a while and then let it rest. Yeah. So it's cooking well because almost 70% of that rice has been cooked. So because of this little heat, it's cooking that remaining percentage. So this is looking nice. What do you think, girl?
It smells really nice.
You are my judge anyway, so you got to tell me what you think.
I think it smells really nice from the sauce.
I don't want that bubbles out there, so I'm going to cook it a little bit more. We're cooking about 20 minutes now, so I'm going to cook it at least for another 5 minutes. Get it done properly. Yeah? Okay. Alright, cooking for 5 more minutes, and it does look nice. Smells really good. Can't wait to taste it. But the important thing about biryani is you got to let it rest for a couple of minutes, otherwise it's gonna taste not very good. See?
That looks really nice.
That's what I mixed. Smells very good. The important thing about biryani is, once again, very important, you got to let it rest for a while. Shut the fire down and let it rest for a while. Here you go. We let the rest for about 10 minutes, and this girl can't wait to eat it, so I had to rush out a little bit to get it done. So there you go. That looks brilliant. That smells really good. Does it smell good, girls?
Yeah. Smells very nice.
that onion's actually giving me a flavor. So that butter ghee. Can't wait to test that butter ghee.